Digital experience makers, I think, need to really come to the role with more imagination and courage. I think that's probably the biggest opportunity that we have to really surprise and delight customers. I think in a sea of sameness where it's very difficult to be picked out as being unique or different, brands really have to stand for something. And I think in order to do that, you really have to have courage of your convictions. Really reimagine what retail can mean for consumers. I think that's the big opportunity in front of everybody. The Accent Group is Australia's largest footwear retailer. We got 447 stores across both Australia and New Zealand. We have 9 retail formats, some of Australia's best footwear brands: Platypus, Hype DC, The Athlete's Foot, Skechers, Vans, Timberland and Merrell. We've done some really interesting things in the space about bringing innovation. We have worked on delivering click and collect, ship from store models. We released same-day delivery from stores right across Australia. And we've done that by changing the way that we think about our stores. So we not only think about them as experience centers, but we think about them as distribution centers for our product. The experience that you create in store, how you launch product, how you bring customers on the journey, how you do the storytelling, that today is more and more impactful on the customer's journey and when they choose to shop with you and choose you over your competitors. We talk about this as the inertia, right? How do you push through the inertia? You've got to be relentless in your pursuits. But you also have to come at those pursuits with a level of emotional intelligence to bring people on a journey. And I think that's the secret amongst all of this. If you've got a clear customer vision around what the consumer really is looking for from your brand, and you apply, emotional intelligence to the process about how you bring an organization on that journey, the momentum that you will start to build through that transformation process will start to unlock the secrets and the value that exists behind reinventing yourself and disrupting from within. Working with Adobe has enabled us to really leverage the power of data and content and lead with great customer experience. I think the acquisition of Magento, which is another platform of ours, is a fantastic opportunity to bring our commerce platform and our marketing tech platform together in a single ecosystem. I think this provides a very powerful opportunity for us to stitch those experiences even tighter together and again try and deliver on that idea of this fluid experience. You think about what AI is going to do to transform experience for consumers, and more importantly what Generation Z has as an expectation because they were born with the mobile phone in their hand. I think we're interested to explore what benefits it provides in specific business and user cases at the moment. And I think it's really interesting to see the maturation of that technology over the course of the last 3 years. I think 3 years ago it was still an idea and hypothetical, and that's matured certainly over the last couple of years to get us to today where we're starting to see AI being introduced into tools that are providing real value to us at the coalface of commerce and doing business. Where does it go? Well, it's a deep question, and I'm not sure that I got the answers for it. But I think as the machines become smarter and can interpret more and can have a broader application instead of just a single line focus, I think there's some wonderful opportunities that will unpack